Talk about a mashup. An Italian cocktail that's great for a warm, sunny day meets an iconic American popsicle. That's what we're making today.
We've traded out the wooden stick and whipped the orange popsicle with a creamy center into a sophisticated frozen cocktail, and we're serving it up in a bowl with natural flair. Begin with the serving bowls, the oranges. Cut each orange in half and scoop out the pulp. Look for larger oranges with thick skins to create a sturdy vessel with a generous portion size. Then, in a large mixing bowl, squeeze enough of the pulp from the oranges to make about a half a cup of juice. Discard the juiced pulp and reserve the remainder of the pulp for garnish. Add the mascarpone cheese, Aperol, look at that bright orange color, and about half of the can of sweetened condensed milk to the bowl. Use a hand mixer on a slow speed to blend it all together and work out the lumps. You'll notice that the color begins to lighten and the mixture becomes a bit fluffy. You can see ribbons forming from the beaters. So taste the mixture to see if it's sweet enough and if the balance of flavors is to your liking. You can adjust with more orange juice or sweetened condensed milk if you'd like, and then blend it again until it's fully combined. Place the orange bowls in a freezer-safe container or on a freezer-safe tray and support them in the upright position. I wrapped paper towels around their bases, which also helped to catch some spills. And then fill the cups with the creamy deliciousness right to the brim. Then transfer them to the freezer to let them do their thing, and any leftover Aperol cream can be poured into a freezer-safe container and frozen just like ice cream. The following day, the orange bowls come out of the freezer beautifully bright and tempting. I like to set them up for serving on a tray with some fresh berries and a little mint. The remaining bits of cut orange would have also been great if I hadn't snacked on all of them. Either way, when you dig into these Aperol Creamsicles, your spoon just glides right through. Its firmness is somewhere between ice cream and soft serve, and it lacks the icy texture of a popsicle. It's truly a mashup, a combination of familiar flavors, experienced in a whole new delicious way.
Cool, creamy, and sweet meets somewhat bitter Aperol in this fun and refreshing treat.
You can find this recipe for Aperol Creamsicles at homewithshay.com. Shay Bryant, ABC Action News.